ChildFriendly's School RSVP feature is the ideal solution for ensuring smooth communication between parents, administrators, and transport staff when it comes to school pickups and drop-offs. From the parent portal, parents simply enter the dates or date range that their child won't require busing. They can also add any necessary notes before submitting. Instantly, administrators and staff are notified of these updates via the child-friendly dashboard. No more relying on outdated whiteboards or frantic last-minute texts to bus drivers when a parent calls in a change. When transport staff arrive at the school, they can easily access the School RSVP tab on the child-friendly dashboard. They can instantly see a list of all children who do not require pickup that day, ensuring all kids have been safely picked up by either your staff or other means. Keep children's safety a top priority with ChildFriendly's School RSVP feature.